Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to look like a hacker on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress as you can see. And first of all, we need to go to the color selection area. Okay, you can go to this area and we're going to play around with the color so we can make our model looks like a hacker. You can go to the color wheel and then you can play around with the color like this to make you look like a hacker on Dress to Impress. Okay, you can play around it quickly. Okay, like this. And then don't close the skin color. And I'm going to move to another area. I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to play around with the color to make it look like a hacker. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to look like a hacker on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!